Hello students. In today's class we will study the rest part of the previous lecture. Okay, that is the influence of addressing mode in the instruction sets or instruction execution. Okay, so in previous lecture I have already told you about how the addressing modes will affect the instruction set execution. Okay, the complex addressing modes and also simple addressing mode. Okay, so the instruction sets of a modern processor are designed to take maximum advantages of a pipeline hardware. Okay, so to get that advantages, the addressing modes used in modern processor must have the following features. Okay, so we have to use the addressing modes, or we have to design the modern processors in which this type of addressing modes will be used, or the addressing mode which is used must have these features. Okay, so what are the features? Let's see. First is your access to one operand doesn't require more than one access to the memory. Okay, in the previous example we have discussed that when we are taking more than one addressing modes, then in some situation the memory is accessed more than one. Okay, in the previous example it is twice, we are accessing the memory twice. Okay, one for read the address and another for the operand. Okay, but we have in the modern processor we have to use those addressing modes which mm, the memory will be accessed only for once. Okay, then for that to happen we have to use only load and store instructions. Okay, as it takes less number of clock cycles than other instruction. Okay, and next one is the addressing mode used do not have side effects. Okay, whatever the addressing modes we will use in the processors for executing the instruction, it does not have the side effects. Okay, so there are some addressing modes which have these features. Okay, so these are the register register indirect addressing mode and index addressing mode. Okay, so these are some basic addressing modes which fulfill all these features. Okay, the first two it is means register and register indirect. It does not require address computation. Okay, that means no address computation. Okay, so here we don't have to compute the address, that's why memory will be accessed once. Okay, so in the index addressing mode the address can be computed in one clock cycle. Okay, because the index value is given in the instruction or in the register. Okay, so uh, address is computed in one clock cycle. Okay, so none of these modes has any side effects. Okay, uh, with one possible exception, some architectures such as ARM processor basically allow the address computed in the index mode to be written back into the index register. Okay, you have to remember this point. So this is a side effect that would not be allowed under the guideline above. Okay, but the exceptional case is your ARM processor. Okay, ARM processor is your exception. That means in ARM processor, index addressing mode takes more than one clock cycle. Okay, so this can be overcome. Okay. So this is all about our addressing modes. Okay, and next we will see about condition modes in which, or condition flags, uh, by using these condition flags how the instruction set will be influenced. Okay, so it will So we will see it in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.